PM Modi arrives in Varanasi will launch over 30 projects. And death toll from coronavirus in China touches 1,600, infections cross 68,000. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a day-long visit to Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh today. After reaching his parliamentary constituency, the Prime Minister first went to lamjingbatomtv, where he participated in the closing ceremony of the centenary celebrations of Sri Jagadguru Vishwaradhaya Gurukul. On this occasion, Modi also released the translated version of the Sri Shidhan Shikmani grant in the 19 languages and a mobile app of the grant. Uttar Pradesh Governor Anandiben Patel, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa were also present. According to sources, the Prime Minister will visit Padav area of Chandauli district, where he will dedicate to the nation the Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya Memorial Center and will also unveil the 63-feet statue of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya, which is the largest statue of the leader in the country. Later, the Prime Minister will launch 50 development projects worth over 1,200 crore rupees at Varanasi. Modi will also flag off the Mahakal Express to link Varanasi, Ujjain and Omkareshwar and dedicate Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya Memorial Center to the nation. The death toll from the coronavirus outbreak in mainland China has reached 1,665 as of the end of yesterday, up by 142 from the previous day, the country's National Health Commission said this morning. Meanwhile, an 80-year-old Chinese tourist died from a coronavirus in France, making it the first death confirmed outside of Asia, reports said. In the coronavirus-hit cruise ship that is docked at a port in Tokyo, Japan, another 67 people have tested positive for the infection. A total of 138 Indians, including 132 crew and 6 passengers, are among the 3,711 people on board the quarantine ship Diamond Princess that arrived at the Japanese coast earlier this month. 3 Indians were among the 218 people infected with COVID-19 on the ship. Director General of the World Health Organization Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said the coronavirus outbreak is still an emergency for China and it is impossible to tell where the epidemic will spread. As per reports, Tedros told the Munich Security Conference in Germany he was encouraged by actions China had taken to slow the spread of virus, but was still concerned about the increasing number of cases. A World War II era bomb was unearthed yesterday at Moray under Technopole district. The bomb was recovered during improvement work along a section of Imphal-Moray Highway, a report said today. A team of Technopole police and CID technical later retrieved the bomb. Now it's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topper puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupa moral gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai mahubom lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back after the break. A short Dharma book entitled Imagi Manglan, written by Maitan Kashangbam Subol, was released today in a simple function organized by RC Film Production at East Garden, Kongba. Editor Naharol Gitaudang Khoirom Loya Lakpa, Program Executive AIR Imphal Adhikari Mayumgit Chandra Sharma, Program Executive AIR Imphal Hekrujam Debendra Singh, and Chief Librarian State Central Library Imphal L. Momota Devi attended the program.
All India Radio Imphal.
The 36th General Conference Come Observation of KTP Day 2020 is underway at Jairol Pokpi, village of Jirbang district, on the theme Remember Your Creator in the Days of Your Youth. The three-day general conference, which began from 14th of February, will end today. The conference is organized by Independent Church of India. Mahairoi, the annual magazine of Manipur Students Association Delhi Masat, was released yesterday during a function at Kirori Mal College, DU, New Delhi. On the occasion, Masat President Jinkai Saikom explained about the importance of publishing annual magazine by the Manipuri students community in the national capital. The 5th State Conference of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Manipur was held today at Nelit Akampat, Imphal. Director of Nelit Imphal, Prameshwar Singh, State President, Head of Department of Chemistry, NIT Manipur, and Dean of Students Welfare, Dr. Thiam David Singh, State Secretary of ABUP Manipur, Sarat Chandra Haubijam, National General Secretaries Shushri Nidhi Tripathi, and Nayan Jyoti Sharma attended the conference. As part of the ongoing drive against illegal poppy cultivation, a combined team of Technopol District Police, 8 Manipur Rifles, and Narcotic and Affairs of Border NAP, led by Additional Superintendent of Police Operation, Technopol destroyed about 25 acres of illegal poppy plantations on the hill range of Machi village. Achos Biology organized a one-day seminar on to enlighten the mind of the youth in association with Enlightoppedia, redefining education at Lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound, Imphal today. Enlightoppedia is an online-based educational platform that aims at providing quality education through modern technology. A group of students, in collaboration with the most renowned educators of Manipur, developed the app. Social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram attended the seminar as one of the resource persons. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom do digi hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ina lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center mahangjare TV ama phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da bigi awaba mayok na dibna al koding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklenshin directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oidaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwala badom gi khangna chana ba single power sa tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road, Pogoi Sangam Lekai, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009541159.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna Pung Kunmari Chupna Miam gi Seba Taugzari. Ambulance Service Asina Miam the Pizariba Servicing the Yumdagi Hospital da Pukhatpa, Hospital dagi Yumda Puthaba, Hospital Amadagi Hospital Amada Puba, Yum Thang Nariba State Sing the Anaba Sing Puba Amadi Loba, Luinana, India gi Mafang Kudimakta Chatpayaraba Air Ambulance ki Service Asina Chingmani. Masida natana lambigi accidenta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyamgi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak sep takshin biu aikhuigi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Welcome back after the break. Arvind Kejriwal, who led his Aam Aadmi Party AAP to another stunning victory in the assembly elections, will take oath as the Chief Minister of Delhi for the third time today. As per reports, Kejriwal is scheduled to be sworn in along with his 6 of his ministers in a ceremony in the sprawling Ramlila Maidan. The AAP roamed to a magnificent victory in the Delhi Assembly election, in which the party won a thumping majority of the 62 seats in the 70-member Delhi Assembly for the second time since 2015. The Bharatiya Janata Party got the rest of the 8 seats. Hundreds of thousands of people are expected to turn up at the Ramlila Maidan as Kejriwal and his minister take the oath of office. Several blasts hit a US-led coalition military base in Baghdad early today from an apparent rocket attack, as a US military official said. As per media report, the official did not immediately say if the attack caused any casualties or significant damage. Rocket attacks that Washington blames on Iran-backed militias have regularly hit near and occasionally on the U.S. embassy, which is next to the base. On February 13, Iran had warned the U.S. that it will strike U.S. and Israel if they make the slightest error. Major General Hosseini Salami was at the ceremony marking the 40th day since the death of Iranian General Qasem Soleimani. Soleimani, who was head of the Quds Force, a branch of the guards responsible for operation outside Iran, was killed by a U.S. drone in Baghdad on January 3rd, along with Iraqi militia commander Abu Mahdi al-Muhandis. Now we have the sports news. United People's Front Manipur UPF today organized the 13th Mega Marathon Manipur 2019. The marathon was kicked off from Imphal Kuman Lampak. The state-level run was organized under the supervision of Athletic Association of Manipur on the theme Run for Your Nation. The marathon was participated by over 33,000 people from different parts of the state. Speaking about the marathon, UPF President W. Second said that the run aims at spreading awareness on eradication of drug abuse among the youths of the state. He said that we should all come out together to ensure a better society and environment.
We run for our nations. We should always a sports movement for increasing our environment, our societies, and our sports movement. Not only for this prize movement, all the people, including Manipur and other parts of India, here is coming for participating in this mega marathon.
Arunachal Pradesh Golom Tinku bagged a gold medal at the ongoing Asian Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championship in Uzbekistan yesterday. Tinku lifted 91 kg in the snatch event and 122 kg in the clean and jerk event to total 213 kg and bagged the bronze medal. Moreover, another weightlifter from Arunachal Pradesh, Boni Mankia, also bagged a bronze medal in Asian Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championship on Friday. The Asian Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championship commenced at Tashkent, the capital city of Uzbekistan, on February 13, will conclude on February 19. The second edition of Jorethang Premier Badminton League JPBL 2020 started in a grand manner at Jorethang in South Sikkim yesterday. The two-day-long league is being organized by Badminton Association of Jorethang, BAJ, in association with Sikkim Krantikari Morcha Party Sports Wing and Labour Front under the aegis of Badminton Association of Sikkim. The second edition of JPBL has 6 teams in the fray for the Champions Trophy. The tournament carries the cash prize of Rs 2.5 lakh for the winners and Rs 1.5 lakh for runners-up, along with trophies. A total of 66 players, 11 players in each team, have been participating in this second edition of JPBL. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Coronavirus death stirs beyond 1,500 in China. Naga woman mistaken for Chinese in Mumbai met to leave building. MPP internal crisis. Accusations fly thick and fast. Biswajit stresses on roles of youth in nation building. Imphal Free Press. UNC extends olive brands to neighbors. Peaceful activism can change the world through, says Governor. The People's Chronicle. UNC renews unity call, Naga's rally behind coronavirus hit China. NSCN IM major among 2 charged seated by NIA in terror funding case. Insurgency on decline in Northeast, says Lieutenant General Chauhan. Manipur Mel, Lui Ngaini celebrated. Biswajit emphasizes youth's role in nation building. Shyam Kumar opens organic outlet in Senapati.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. PM Modi arrives in Varanasi will launch over 30 projects. And death toll from coronavirus in China touches 1,600 infections, crossed 68,000. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.